not really a specific law, but this idea, no matter what you try to do, there will be some type of divergence over time, okay? Call it the law of dots. Because when you start a project, okay, you will both have your code and you will have your documentation for that. And it's one of these, well, we would hope that they would stay roughly the same. Let's see if I can actually draw a straight line for a change. So this is the good progress of any software you write. So over time, you are making progress. But the issue is that you start your documentation quite close to the code, but then you focus more on the code, and then the code progresses and the documentation just increasingly deviates over time. And then this difference between these, this divergence, creates a problem, because then the actual cost to bring this back again, to actually fix the documentation, starts to also increase as well. And eventually, you will probably think it's actually not worth it to actually spend all the trouble updating the documentation. Okay, so it's really hard for these two things to actually stay synchronized. This is not a formal law. It's just something. It's more of a kind of observation with external documentation.